Hey guys, so doing a couple leaf cleanups today. February 2nd, I think it is. So, yeah, just trying to find some work, until spring rolls around. But I'll show you what we got here. A little bit over here. The majority of the lawn seems to be okay. Over here, still kind of frozen, so I'm not going to be able to get much here, but all along here, yeah, there's just a little bit of leaves on the lawn here. This big tree right here, I think most of it actually probably just like blew down or something. This tree usually drops quite a bit. But I haven't done a cleanup here, or I didn't do a cleanup here in the fall, so yeah, it's a little bit right here too. And really nothing over here. But yeah, Scott was supposed to be with me today for these two, but I don't know, he's not answering his phone, so I don't know. It's just, it sucks when you're trying to, rely on someone to work for you and they don't show up, they don't call, they don't text or whatever. But I don't know, it is what it is, and I don't know, we'll just kind of see how it goes in the spring, if I have to keep doing this by myself, and I don't know, maybe just cut ties with him. But yeah, I don't know, what would you guys do? This is like the second time that he hasn't shown up, and yeah, I don't know, I can't grow my business with someone who's not reliable in that regard. Let's say if I schedule 30-40 yards to do a day because I'm anticipating having someone, and it ends up not working out, I can't do all that by myself. So yeah, I don't know, maybe another 5-6 weeks and get into doing aerations and fertilizing, spring cleanups and stuff. And I don't know, man, hopefully it starts snowing here. Here in Colorado, like Denver, we haven't gotten hardly any snow this year. I think it's only been around like 2 inches or so that we got one storm, I think, that was like almost 5, and I think that was back in November. But yeah, we're supposed to get some snow on Wednesday night to Thursday, and then I think maybe a little bit more Friday to Saturday. So that'll be nice. But also, March and April are the 2 snowiest months for Colorado. So could get dumped on then, We'll see how that goes. But yeah, I have 4 snow customers right now. I ended up picking one up yesterday. The lady wanted me to shovel her walks. So yeah, I have 4 definite ones that I'm going to be doing, and then there's like a couple that are just kind of like, I'll text you if we need it. So yeah, slowly but surely. Yeah, by myself today, and I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you my how I pull the leaves out and all that stuff. I don't think I ever got a close-up of it. We got a old tire, and just some pieces of wood. Have one going like this, and then through the wheel there, you know, put some bolts through there onto that wood. Then all these other pieces of wood, you know, just put bolts and stuff through. And then we do the chain. We hook the chain up to the wheel also, 'cause you don't want to put it through here, because when we're pulling all that weight, that could break really easily. We used to use a pallet, but that thing just got beat up way too much, and we'd end up having to replace it quite a bit. But I've had this. I've been using this one for years, pulling leaves out, and it still works. Still works really well. Got a pretty long chain on it. I do have a spare chain in case I ever need to like back up to a concrete block and I can't necessarily get real close. So that's kind of like an extension, but for the most part, this has worked out pretty well. When the cheap dump is, when I go there, they usually have a concrete block. But as the year and year goes on, you know, in the fall, they end up having too many leaves there, and I think the concrete block ends up getting buried. Sometimes that other chain, I think it's like 16 or 20 foot extension. Sometimes that's worked, but since they're the cheapest ones in town, everyone goes there, and it's just real packed. There's hardly any place to really dump and turn around. People cut in line. So that's why I ended up going to the other one. That's a little bit more expensive. Actually, more than a little bit. It's a lot more expensive. The other one, $35 for this full trailer. $35, and it's good. The other one, this full trailer, which I think they measured it, it comes out to 9 yards. $120. So. But the other one, you know, as you've seen in my other videos, that you know, I'm like in and out of there in 10 minutes, you know. The other one, you're there for 20, 30, 40 minutes sometimes. So I'd rather pay a little bit more, because, you know, I'm not paying for this. I include the dump fees in my price. So I'd rather pay a little bit more and be in and out and get on to the next one than you know, having to wait. But today, since it's, you know, February 2nd, and I'm not going to have that much leaves between these two jobs, I don't think, I might just end up going to the cheaper one, because I do have a punch card. You can buy a punch card, like if you buy 5, you get 1 free. I think I have 3 or 4 punches left on that. And I usually save that for the springtime, because springtime, they've, you know, over the winter, they've been able to clear out all the leaves, and it's a lot easier to dump there. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna have much, so I might not even use this tire, because all these leaves are dry and stuff. So I might just, you know, park somewhere and blow them all out, so that way I don't have to unhook, hook up, all that stuff. But yeah, I'll probably show you guys that in this video. So yeah, I just have this little bit right here, and of course the mailman parks right there. But just after I get this pile over here, I'm gonna hop on the blower and blow that into a pile, and then haul that up, and then this one's done. So this lady, when I cut her, she likes it really high, so I think I cut it like 4 or 4.5. I don't think she has a sprinkler system, and over the summer we usually end up going like every other week. But yeah, she was cool with me doing it, so that way it's ready come springtime, and the grass can get growing. Second one for our leaf cleanup. Doesn't seem to be too bad. There's quite a bit back here. Yeah, no, typically I would start blowing all this way and probably make it out here. Then park in the alley and just load up these back ones. Still might do that just because there is snow over here. If there wasn't snow over here, I'd probably try and bring it all over here as much as I could, so that way I can just tarp it up and pull it through the front there. But yeah, so that's the back. Doesn't look too bad. A little bit of leaves right here. That's not too bad either. Definitely some leaves buried in the grass though. Yeah, I'll probably start here and just work my way this way. Make a pile right in my behind my trailer. I might make a pile right where my truck is. I just move my truck to the other side. Yeah, I think I might do that. Just because as I'm blowing, I'm gonna get leaves under my truck anyway. So, but yeah, I will probably move my truck first, just so no one takes that spot on the other side. Then put my cones down here. So, yep. All right, we'll get to it. And, you'll next see me blowing the leaves. Hey, what's up, guys? So it's about 3 o'clock and on my way home. Actually, no, it's about 2:30. So that last yard took me about an hour and 40 minutes. So yeah, not too bad. You know, just had, like I said, two yards today. Was supposed to have Scott, and I was supposed to have 3, but one lady said that her mom ended up getting to it over the weekend. So, oh well. But yeah, headed home. I think I'm probably gonna do the leaves in my front yard, and I still have a trailer full of leaves, so I'll probably dump all those in there and go to the dump tomorrow before the snow comes in. So yeah, it's a good day. I don't know, man, 65 degrees today, and I think it's supposed to be about 55, 60 tomorrow, and snow coming in tomorrow night, Wednesday night. So yeah, I don't know. I'm waiting for spring, just like everyone else here, and can't wait. Can't wait for aerations, fertilizing, overseeding, and mowing, you know. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Leave a thumbs up on this video. It would help me out. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And leave a comment down below on what you guys do for help. I think I've asked this once before in a video, but you know, Scott, I haven't heard from him, and you know, it's I don't know. I guess I'd rather, you know, kind of cut ties now and know kind of what I'm up against in the spring and summer than you know, have to rely on him. So yeah, I'm interested to you know what you guys would do or what you guys have done. But yeah, that's it, and I guess we'll probably see you in the next one, which I'm gonna try and get of some snow. And let me know if you guys want to see how like how I go ahead and bill this out. I was thinking about doing a video on that, and that goes back to my per man hour rate, you know, making sure I hit that. And so yeah, thanks for watching, and we will see you guys later. Bye.